You've probably heard this line 100 times. Linux can replace Windows. But most of the time, that statement came with conditions. You had to adjust your workflow, you had to give up certain conveniences, or you had to spend time fixing things that should have just worked. So people tried it once and went right back to Windows. But Ubuntu 26.04 LTS feels like a turning point. This is not about switching just to try something new. This is about switching because it actually makes sense now. And in many cases, it's the better choice. Right after you install Ubuntu 26.04 LTS and boot into the system, the first thing you notice is how calm everything feels. There's no noise. No pop-ups asking you to sign in everywhere. No setup screens pushing services you didn't ask for. No background activity slowing things down before you even start. You land directly on a clean desktop. Simple dock on the side, clear app launcher, no unnecessary clutter. It feels like a system that's ready to work, not one that needs to be managed. Now just start opening a few things. Open the file manager. Launch the browser. Move between windows. Everything feels instant. Not fast for Linux, just fast. There's no delay between your action and the response. Even on average hardware, the system feels light and responsive. And that's where Ubuntu 26.04 LTS quietly wins, because it doesn't try to do too much in the background. If you open the system monitor and just watch for a moment, you'll notice something important. The system is not constantly busy. CPU usage stays low. RAM usage is controlled. Disk activity is minimal when you're not doing anything. That means when you actually start working, your system is fully available for you, not already half used by background processes. Now let's talk about everyday use, because that's what really matters. Most people spend their time inside a browser, so go ahead and open Chrome, Firefox, or even Edge. Log into your accounts, open multiple tabs, play videos, switch between sites. It all behaves exactly how you expect. There's no learning curve here. Everything works the same way, just on a faster and cleaner system. Now for files and basic tasks. Copying files, organizing folders, connecting USB drives, all of this is straightforward. Plug in a drive, it shows up instantly. Open it, move files around, done. No driver prompts, no extra steps. Even network drives and shared folders are easy to access. Now let's install something. Open the App Store, search for an application, click Install, and that's it. No downloading random setup files, no next finish installers, and more importantly, no hidden extras bundled in. Everything comes from trusted sources. Clean and simple. Updates are another area you'll notice a big difference. On Ubuntu, updates feel respectful. You get notified, you choose when to install them, and you move on. No forced restarts, no sudden interruptions. Your system stays under your control. Now let's talk about stability. This is an LTS release. That means long-term support, long-term updates, and a system designed to stay consistent. Things don't randomly change overnight. Your workflow stays the same. Your settings stay where you left them. You're not constantly adapting to new changes. And then there's privacy. On Windows 11, there's always something running in the background you didn't ask for. On Ubuntu, what runs is what you choose. No hidden tracking layers, no unnecessary data collection, just your system doing what you tell it to do. Now, let's be honest about one thing. Switching does require a mindset shift. Not because it's difficult, but because it's different. You're not relying on the same ecosystem anymore. But once you settle in, you realize something important. Most of what you actually need is already here, and it works. If your daily routine involves browsing, documents, media, light productivity, or development work, Ubuntu 26.04 LTS handles all of it smoothly. No extra tweaking, no constant fixing. Just install and start using. So instead of asking, "Can this replace Windows 11?" ask yourself something simpler. What exactly do you use your computer for every day? Because if you really think about it, there's a good chance Ubuntu already covers all of it, and in a cleaner, faster, and more controlled way. Ubuntu 26.04 LTS isn't trying to compete by copying Windows. It's offering a different experience, one that feels lighter, more focused, and more respectful of your time. And once you get used to that, going back doesn't feel like an upgrade anymore. That's it for this one. No hype, no exaggeration, just a real look at what's possible now. I'll see you in the next one.